So it's 8:29 and I am starting ahead with walking with this road. So I'm not able to see the anything, like just there only small stream of water. Here the small flow of water, we can see the watershed or what, like basically some small stream, what we can, I don't remember that word for this. But the good part is that here there is no rain, and that's a good for me as a solo trekker, because heavy rain, this is basically covered by water. I am coming from this and going toward this. So what I was saying is that, what was I guess saying? Just see the beauty, see the beauty, like all trees are covered by totally by dense fog, and now the fears begins. And here we have not to forgot or to go away from the actual the right way. We have not to lose that way, because we are not able to see any forest, nothing. So this becomes risky. So we have not to at any cost to go away from the main road. And it's 8:31. Now I am the first people or the first traveler who are coming to here, and we can see the beautiful stream of water. दुधासारखं शुभ्र पाणी दिसत आहे मला. And there you can see some waterfalls. This region is totally covered by so many waterfalls. So this is my solo trek, so I gonna record too much. If I get like water type, I should keep my phone in or not, I don't know. But as such, I will find the water, I will keep phone in my this bag. So this is stream of water. Beautiful stream. I guess we have to cross this or not, I don't know. But we have to go ahead. Walk and walk. Here I am not able to see any mountains. It's 8:30, so all the mountains are covered by fog now. And I am walking from last like 15 minutes. And I guess I have to walk more, like more than 1 hour to by this road, or I don't know. But we are the trekkers who used to walk 3-4 hours, and I know that this trek is about 2 hours. So let's walk there. And I am alone walking on these roads, talking with you. My phone. And it's had been 4 minutes. I guess this bird want to talk me, but I'm not able to understand their language. So I don't know fog will remove or not remove, I don't care. The best part is here is no rain, because rain will create very adverse situation. I can get the drop of rain on me, tiny drops. If the sea gets big, I have to immediately put. I guess rain is coming. It seems like that. For precaution, I should keep phone in cover or not. I let me activate that mode and cover phone in that, because safety should be always there through this dense forest. I'm walking alone. So let's go ahead. I guess rain is coming. I have to keep phone in